friends, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into everything that you need to know about growing peanuts. From planting to harvesting and everything in between. Whether you're a small-scale home gardener curious about growing peanuts for the first time on your own, or a small-scale farmer looking to add a nutrient-rich, soil-improving crop to your rotation, this guide has got you covered. I'm going to walk you through the best climate and soil conditions, choosing the right peanut varieties, planting, watering, pest management, and when and how to harvest your crops. So grab your gloves and let's dig into the rewarding process of growing peanuts from the ground up. Peanuts are legumes, which means that they fix nitrogen in the soil through a symbiotic relationship with bacteria in their root nodules. This improves soil fertility and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers. They are great for rotating with crops like corn as they help break the pest and disease cycles and enhance soil structure. Peanuts are relatively drought tolerant once established, making them suitable for semi-arid regions. They are also a low input crop. Compared to other row crops, peanuts thrive with fewer pesticides and less fertilizer. What this means is that ultimately you're going to have a smaller environmental footprint. They are low maintenance, easygoing, and actually fun to grow, which makes them a perfect option for both beginner gardeners and advanced gardeners, as well as everyone in between. Their optimal temperature is from 75 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit with a minimum soil temperature of 65 degrees. Peanuts are very sensitive to frost, so most varieties must be grown in areas with a frost-free growing season of at least 120 to 150 days. Full sun is essential. They're going to need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. As far as water is concerned, they can require up to 40 inches of water throughout the growing season, but be careful to make sure that they don't become waterlogged. Good drainage is crucial. So, peanuts grow best in a warm, frost-free climate with well-drained soil and a long growing season. That means that they absolutely thrive in the southern United States, where the climate is largely hotter, long summers, and a more mild winter. We're talking places like North Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, and right here in sunny Florida. If you don't live in the southern United States, you are able to still grow peanuts in cooler climates, but you're going to have to take extra measures to make sure that they thrive. You should start them indoors to extend the growing season, as well as choose early maturing varieties like early Spanish or Valencia. You can grow them in containers or raised beds with black plastic mulch to raise the soil temperature. And no matter what you do, make sure to harvest them before the first frost. Taking care of peanuts while they're growing, just like any other crop, is essential to ensure a healthy and abundant harvest. Peanuts are super low maintenance, but you do need to mound them once they're established and flowering. Once your peanut plants have matured a bit, they start to flower and peg. Pegging is when the plant sends shoots called pegs into the soil where the peanuts will actually develop. Mounding at this stage gives the pegs loose, well-aerated soil to penetrate, which is essential for peanut development. Make sure that you're gentle during the process to avoid damaging the delicate pegs or roots, and you can repeat light mounding as the plant continues to grow and spread. Once the plants are about 6 to 8 inches tall, they're usually ready for mounding. One of the most exciting parts about growing peanuts is finally getting to dig them up, but timing is everything. If you pull them up too early, they're going to be underdeveloped, and if you pull them too late, they could rot, fall off in the ground, and sprout. So here's how to know when your peanuts are ready to pull up. Like we talked about earlier, most peanut varieties are ready to harvest between 90 and 150 days after planting, depending on the type. I know a lot of us gardeners are pretty bad about it, but do try and keep track of when you planted them and refer to your variety's average maturity date as a general guideline. As peanuts near maturity, the leaves will start to yellow and die back, and this is your first visual clue that harvest time is approaching. If the plants are turning yellow and the right amount of time has passed, then you should gently dig up a few plants and check the peanuts. The pods should be full and firm with clearly defined netting. Inside, the peanuts should be plump and fill out the shell, and their skin should be light pink to deep red depending on the variety. If you split the pod open, the inside of the shell should be darkening. And you can do the bend and snap. Yes, that's a Legally Blonde reference, but if you bend a pod and it snaps cleanly, it's likely mature. If it bends with you or feels rubbery, then it needs some more time. Now, harvesting peanuts is different than most of your garden crops, and there are some tips to make it easier and more successful. The first step to gathering peanuts is to make sure that you're prepared. Start by gathering your tools, a garden fork or shovel, some gloves, and a bucket or tarp to collect the plants. Make sure that you choose a dry day, preferably after a few days without rain, because wet soil makes harvesting a lot harder and can lead to moldy peanuts. The second step is to loosen the soil. You'll want to carefully loosen the soil around the bases of each plant using your fork or shovel. Don't yank the plant up, you risk tearing off pods and leaving them underground. Instead, gently lift the plant, root and all. Step 3 is to shake and inspect. After you've pulled up the plant, give it a gentle shake to remove any excess dirt and check the pods. A mature plant will have several full, firm pods hanging from the roots, so if you see a good number of developed peanuts, congratulations, you've timed your harvest well. And step 4 is to start curing. You should lay the plants upside down in a warm, dry, and shaded spot, such as a shed or porch, with the peanuts exposed to air. Let them cure for 1 to 2 weeks, which helps reduce moisture and enhances the flavor. Proper curing also prevents mold and makes peanuts last longer in storage. If you've harvested a small batch of peanuts or the weather isn't cooperating for outdoor curing, you are able to cure your peanuts in the oven. Just be sure to go low and slow. About 120 degrees or as low as your oven will let you set it for 24 to 36 hours, which is a pretty long time. If you do choose this, just spread the peanuts out in a single layer on a baking sheet or a wire rack to allow airflow and let them dry, stirring occasionally to make sure that they dry evenly. And that's everything that you need to know about growing peanuts, all the way from planting your seeds to harvesting and curing your crops. Whether you're thinking about growing some peanuts in your backyard or scaling up to a larger operation, you now have the knowledge to be successful and grow some delicious homegrown peanuts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy growing, guys!